Welcome to Bamfordrose and another question of the week. This week we're talking about jobs that you can do at home and whether the line is drawn and you have to admit defeat and go into a workshop. And we're not talking about mechanical jobs because nuts, bolts, screws, they can all come undone, and if you've got a good bit of mechanical competence, then mechanically you can do most of the stuff at home. These Astons come apart easily, it's all quite intuitive, so if you're mechanically competent, then changing brakes, changing oil, air filters, all that sort of stuff is quite easy at home. The line is drawn when it comes to the electronics on these cars, and they can be really difficult. The first problem is to talk to the engine controller and the body control module, which talks to all other modules. You need the official Aston Martin diagnostic tool, which is a laptop program, and this is a bit of software which is bespoke, designed by the factory to communicate with all body modules on the car. It plugs into the powertrain connector, it plugs into the body module connector. If you were to buy a Snap-on or any other third-party generic diagnostic kit, typically they will connect to the engine controller okay and read fault codes, but they won't connect to the body control module, and they won't read airbag module, brake control module, any other module, so you'll be blind to those faults. So if you've got some spurious electronic issues with the car, then to read those modules properly and try and fault find, it's going to need the official Aston Martin diagnostic system laptop. There are a couple of bits of kit out there which do read some of these modules because they carry over Volvo, and you might get a module that reads the airbag module, you might get a fault code reader that reads the airbag module, or you might get a fault code reader which reads the brake control module, but it will only read these modules. It won't perform the diagnostic checks on them like the Aston Martin diagnostic system will do. And this is the case now if you have to do any repairs. It could be a door module. The door modules come from the factory without a flash in the software file for that module, so you have to put it on the car, and according to the electronic configuration of the car, you need to download a new software file to that module. To do that, you're going to have to be hooked up to the factory system, because they will have to release a new config file for your car, so you can download it through the Aston Martin diagnostic system and get your module to work. So this is all quite problematic. Now, there are many independents out there that they might have the Aston Martin diagnostic system, but they haven't got the ability to get new configuration files and then flash them to the car. So this is going to inhibit them from fitting door modules, reprogramming keys, any of this functionality which requires a different electronic configuration for the car. Even independents won't be able to do. So anything electronic that needs a diagnostic system, it's really going to be a job for a franchise dealer or someone like Bamfordrose. We don't rely on the factory at all to give us any config files. We write our own and flash them to the car, so we can work totally independently of the factory or dealer network. But basically, anytime you need a module or anything you need a laptop for, it's going to have to be a job done at a workshop instead of like the mechanical jobs you could have done at home.